told they just wanted to know whether they should attend career launcher classes or these hobby classes. Then definitely, because the department is holding these classes, so I told them that first they should go for these academic classes, and when they don't have the academic class that day, they can join us. So you give them this space that in case they have no academic class on a particular day, that day they can join. So don't drop them, and they are good students. Not I think that Deepika and Nitesh.
Sir, they are good, but when we send the attendance, so it looks very bad that out of 25, only 12 or 13 students are joining the session. So that was the main reason.
So for attendance purpose, you just wanted the data to be moderate and good one. All right, now I can see.
It doesn't suit, sir.
Okay. Rest of the things fine. You are fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about these academic classes? These are running well?
Yes, sir. Very well. And students are taking very keen interest.
But
and
these days I have seen that the attendance in academic classes a little bit just dropping.
No, yes, sir. There
could be one reason. Could be one reason, sir. Yes. Because their fathers, sir, their fathers started to go in offices. That's why
offices have started. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But sir, my classes are going on as usual as they were going on earlier. There is no change in strength of my classes.
I have seen your strength is okay.
Only 2 or 3 students are having this problem.
And one thing I told Gaurav that some students who need that device, smartphone, we have not got any requisition from you people. So find out 4 or 5 students at least who need that, direly need, and we will provide them that. Okay, now we are going to share the screen, and it is almost my watch is showing me that we are going to touch 3:10, and we are going to start it. Now we have 16 out of 16, 15 are online, and out of 15 we people, Anjali, Seema, me, Brijesh, and Gaurav, 5. It means that there are only 11 students right now. So this is not very encouraging strength. It means that they keep on joining late. They keep on joining late, I think.
Hello.
Hello.
So average attendance of all the sessions is like this, only 12 or 13 students.
12 or 13?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have around 25 registered, I think.
Yes, sir, 25 students. We called them yesterday, we contacted them, and they said they told us many reasons like data problem in evening, and some parents are also outside, sir. That's why they are unable to join.
Okay, okay. No problem. We can share the data with them. We can share the data with them. And this, whatever the content I have, that I can share with the group. But we are going to start now. And I am going to share the screen. So start, I'll be just starting screen share soon. And I hope that the screen comes to you live. Just a minute, I'm just going to share my screen. Some students have their mic sound on. Please put the sound off. So is my screen there now in front of you?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
It's clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is a poem which I created for your group, and it is on creative writing. All students who are there, they would just look at the poem. They would rather read, and I would recite these lines for you. Let us learn creative writing. Let us stop nail biting. through words, not through, though words are independent, they love to be dependent. Creativity is not bought. Creativity is not taught. Creativity aspires for attention. Creativity shuns suppression. Next 4 lines. Writing makes you known. Writing determines your tone. Writing makes you exact. Writing brings you closer to subject. Play with words and their association. Riding wings of imagination. Writing is an old melodious song. Writing entertains you lifelong. So, do you like my poem? All students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Respond. You like this poem? Small poem?
Sir. Yes, sir. Today
so this is giving you the gist.
Student.
Yes, sir.
This is giving you the gist.
It is inspirable.
And I'll go once more because some students are still joining. It is the poem on creative writing. It means that I am trying to define creative writing through a poem. And the poem is, let us learn creative writing. Let us stop nail biting. You might have seen that some people, when they are writing, they keep on thinking and they bite nail. Though words are independent, they love to be dependent. Creativity is not bought. Creativity is not taught. Creativity aspires for attention. Creativity shuns suppression. Writing makes you known. Writing determines your tone. Writing makes you exact. Writing brings you closer to subject. Play with words and their association. Riding wings of imagination. Writing is an old melodious song. Writing entertains you lifelong. So this poem is giving you something that what is writing. I'd like to share my screen also so that you can have a glance of my office also. But the screen sharing will continue. My screen is coming to you. Hello? My screen is with you or not? No? It means the screen.
I think there is a student who is sharing. Utkarsh.
Student, you stop sharing your screen.
Video off.
Let me put my video also off. But my screen is still not coming to you, I think.
Yes.
Now my screen is coming to you?
Yes, sir. It's fine.
Yes or no? Respond quickly, please. My screen is there or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. It was coming.
My screen is coming. So keep on responding, please.
Yes. Yes, sir.
All right. Now we are going to some activity. Okay. And the activity is here. Students, you pay attention. Teachers are with me also. But the activity is here. My activity today has 3 parts. Part
sir,
1,
your voice is disconnected. Okay.
My voice is disconnected. I don't know
it's
why
disconnecting, sir.
But my voice is on, I think. You are not getting me clearly? Hello?
It is disconnecting. Yes, it is disconnecting. It just comes and just go.
Comes and goes. So there is some problem,
yes,
I think.
Yes, sir.
There is some problem. Why this problem is existing? My sound is on. Still my sound is on. Not audible. Hello.
Sir, it's audible. Sir, it's audible.
But Anjali is saying that I am not audible.
Sir, your sound is clear to me. Maybe some
Okay,
network
Anjali,
issue with
you
Anjali
might be
ma'am.
having some network problem. Anjali, you might be having some network problem. You can see screen, Anjali?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem.
I am able to see. Okay.
The screen is there. Some people have just kept their sound on mode. So please put your sound off this time. So
all
this is the
students audio is mute.
Some students audio is not mute. Put that in mute mode if you want my activity to be clear to you. Otherwise, you will not get the activity. Others, Misra. And some people are still joining. So this is the activity. And what is the activity? You have to write your name preceded with defining quality. It means your first name, before that, defining quality. That quality may be characteristic, that quality may be trait, that quality may be adjective, that quality may be state of your favorite activity, state of mind, some favorite activity. Actually, this is state of mind, basically, state of mind. And you have, no, this is adjective, it is up to here. And you have to state something about your favorite activity. See, two parts of this thing. Your name preceded by your characteristic feature, and then you have to speak something, you have to write something about your favorite activity, either about your food, either about your hobby, your engagement, your interest, or your state of mind. ये देख लो, इनको जो बच्चे लेट ज्वाइन करते हैं फिर ये क्लास को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, इनको वार्निंग दे दो, नहीं तो इनको फिर क्लास से इनको कुछ समय के लिए बाहर कर दो. If they cannot turn up in time, we cannot cope with them. They don't have right to disturb the rest of the class. So I have given you the example here. Some example I have written here. For example, I have written about my own self that Rocky Rakesh enjoys meeting people. So this is the adjective which I have put in front of me. Rocky, R-O-C-K-Y. It is made of rock. Actually, during childhood, I used to be called by this nickname Rocky. My friends called me this one. But this has some quality, Rocky. Rocky means something solid, one who is not afraid of anything, one who goes straightway with his activity. So Rocky Rakesh enjoys meeting people. This is a complete sentence. So this is my name, this is my characteristic feature, and this I am saying about myself, enjoys meeting people. I enjoy meeting people. For example, we have Anjali, the coordinator of this group, and I don't know basically much about her, but I have written something about her. Amiable Anjali is always available for help. So this amiable means friendly. Someone who is very friendly, very accessible. Amiable Anjali is always available for help. So this is her name, this is the characteristic feature, and this is that she is writing about herself. Why I am saying she is writing about herself? Because you have to do like this, about yourself. So pay attention closely this time. We have Brijesh Sharma here, and he is with me right now. And that's why he is busy. So I have written here, busy Brijesh brushes rumors aside. Although this is a tough sentence, but the meaning means he does not believe in rumors. He keeps rumors away. So suppose here is busy. Busy is his quality. He remains busy and he is still busy doing work from morning till evening. So busy Brijesh brushes rumors aside. We have Seema also with us. So for example, I have written here, soft Seema states things straightly. So this is the softness is the quality of this teacher. And she states means he speaks things very clearly, very straightforwardly. when she speaks something, when she is asked something, she presents herself in a very clear-cut manner, straightly. So this is the soft is her quality, and this is her name. This is something about her. We have one more member in this group. I don't know whether she is Priyanka is with us or not, but I have got a sentence for her also. Playful Priyanka plays pranks. So this is alliteration also. Alliteration, you must be knowing that when the same sound is repeated, the same sound is repeated, that is called alliteration. So playful Priyanka plays pranks. Pranks means some jokes, small minor jokes. So this is something about playful is her characteristic, Priyanka is her name, plays pranks is something about her. Now why I am saying this thing? Because you have to start activity now. Similarly, you have to write something about yourself. Like I have written about myself. Anjali has written about herself. Brijesh has written about himself. Seema has written about herself. Priyanka has written about herself. Now take a paper and quickly write down something about yourself. But one thing, that there should be a characteristic feature, there should be a quality, there should be a trait before your name. And after that, you have to speak something about yourself. Either it is a hobby, or it is doing, or it is state of mind, or it is engagement, whatever. Your time starts now. The slide will remain open, but you have to write quickly now, because your statements, your responses will be recorded here. I'll record your statement here, and you can put your sentences on the chat box. The chat box can be used for your sentences. So start writing on your chat box something about you. Don't go for long sentence. Write a small sentence, but that should be in this format only. Adjective or the quality, then the name, then something about. So it is, you can say subject and predicate. First two words subject, rest predicate. First two words subject, rest predicate. Okay? Because here the adjective is part of the subject also. So I hope that you follow my activity and you are ready to do this. Now start doing this thing. I am giving you 5 minutes for that. Chat box, you can see teachers, and you can tell me quickly. I'll also see the chat box that what they are writing there. I am giving you 5 minutes for this. There are people who are writing, I am not able to join. Call is not ringing. This is not good. But I have got the message, and the students are writing. I have got a message. Cheerful Apurva always put a smile on her face. So I'll be just jotting down. Even teachers will write that. Teachers will also do, although I have written about the teachers, but teachers will also do that. I'll record their messages here, and then we will put that on record. So cheerful Apurva always this is your activity time. Valorous Vedant is very valiant. Oh, Valorous Vedant. Valorous Vedant is very valiant. Hard-working Soumya always works hard. Girl, make correction. Works. Hard-working Soumya always works hard. All right. Soumya, make it works, because when you are writing about yourself, this becomes third person. So do the correction here. Unique Utkarsh is creative. Very good. Unique Utkarsh is very creative. Very good. Come on, come on. Your time is running out. You cannot wait for that much. Gaurav left. I don't know why Gaurav left. Otherwise, Gaurav could also join. Okay, come on. Only for, okay, helping Tushar. Helping Tushar is always present for everyone. Very good. Helping Tushar is always present for everyone. And we have kind Kumkum always ready to give help. Kind Kumkum always ready to give help. And we have simple Sachin. Adorable Anjali likes dresses. Oh, very good. Adorable. Adorable Anjali. This is Anjali the teacher or Anjali the student?
रागनी, ये देख शुरू में ना अपने बारे में कुछ लिखना है और उसी के बारे में आगे सेंटेंस बनाना है। जैसे लिख रहे हैं एडोरेबल अंजलि लाइक दैट,
नकल नहीं चलेगी, अपने आप लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट कॉपी। Simple Sachin is searching her book.
Others, keep yourself mute, beta. What is this?
Simple Sachin is searching his book. If you have your parents with you, don't talk to them. Don't take any help from them. Even if you have your sibling, elder brothers and sister, don't take any help from them. It is your exercise. Kind Prem is very creative. Prem, make P capital and K capital. Kind Prem is very creative. Come on, come on. Write down quickly. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Still 9. There must be other students also because we have 21 now in group. Although 5 may be teachers, but there must be 17 at least. The students. Okay. Mysterious Mayank. Find out a mystery. You have this S problem. Mayank, make it finds. Mysterious Mayank. Mayank finds. Mysterious Mayank finds out a mystery. Very good. Kind Prem is very creative. Very good, Prem. You have done the correction. Nice. Obedient others always obeys his elder parents and teachers. Parents are always elders. So remove elders from parents. Obedient others always obeys his parents. Make parents only, not elder parents. Parents and teachers. And vivacious, yes, is very careful. Oh, very good. Vivacious, yes, is very careful. Nice. Okay. Obeys his elders. Okay, that he has done correction. Very good. Smart boy. Elders first, comma, parents and then teachers. Very good. And attentive Seema always uses even a single moment. Good. Always uses even a single moment. All right, now we are going to close the exercise because the time is there and you will be writing, no problem. You will continue writing. Chat box is already there. Yes. You speak. What is yours?
Boring Brijesh brings back boredom.
Okay, he is saying, Brijesh is saying, boring Brijesh. Boring Brijesh brings back boredom. Oh, what a good, this is a alliteration, fine. Boredom. Boring Brijesh brings back boredom. You can say brings back pleasure. That can be possible. Okay. All right. And now creative Piyush is always calm. Tushar, don't take stress. There is some mistake. Calm Tushar doesn't take stress in hand in hard situation. Make it. Calm Tushar doesn't take stress in hard situation. And creative Piyush, this is the last one. Creative Piyush is always ready for others. Very good. And last one is the ugly Utkarsh. Oh, Utkarsh had written first. Ugly Utkarsh is very annoying. Who is writing this? Whether it is Utkarsh or somebody else. Ugly Utkarsh is very annoying. If anybody has written this sentence, then he would be punished. Drop this sentence if somebody else has written this. If Utkarsh has written, fine. If Utkarsh has not written and somebody else has written, he would be punished. She would be punished. And if Utkarsh has written, beautiful sentence. Ugly Utkarsh, because we have the right, we can say anything about us. But if somebody else has written this thing, then you have to remove this quickly. Because there is a word ugly and none is ugly in this world. Everybody is smart, beautiful and lovely. And calm Tushar doesn't take. Okay, so now there are, fabulous responses from you. I enjoy these. And we are going to the next part now. So this is beautifully done. Am I audible to all of you? Respond to me quickly.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the part, where I wanted to record your responses. But because I am running short of time, I have to attend some other activity. And you will find everything in chat box. You will find all these sentences in chat box. Although we will write here and I will post it to you also again in your group. We will write on these 2 slides all your responses, all your sentences. I think maybe 20 or 20 plus. So on slide number 5 and slide number 6, I will write all, and slide number 7. 3 slides I have designated for these. So I will write your responses here and send back the slide to you. So you have written beautiful things about yourself. What you have done, you have defined yourself with a characteristic feature, with a quality, with a trait, and then you have stated something about your hobby, about your personality, about your time management, about your personal traits, all these things. So this was beautiful, really beautiful. Now the second part of the exercise is this. Now copy sentences of all members, including that of teachers. We have got all the 3 teachers' responses also. Now copy sentences of all members, including that of teachers, and develop A or N. Why I have written N? Because we have article also. And develop a story, either a story or an article or a poem or a speech or a skit. What a lovely choice I have given to you. A story. Those who are good at story writing, they can go for a story. Article. Those who write good articles, they can go for article. Poem. Those who are creative in poem writing, they can go. And speech. And skit also. Some of you that we have one another hobby class, that is that theater and dramatics. So some of you might be interested in that group also. So if you are interested, don't worry, because we are taking care of you here in creative writing. You can write a skit and you can provide this skit to that theater and dramatic group. Do this, go for dramatization of this skit. This is written by me. You can write that skit also. Okay. And what you have to do with the words used in these sentences, you have to use those words which are used in those sentences. Apart from the nouns, apart from the names, you can use some names also, no problem. You can use some names also, proper names like Brijesh and Seema and Piyush and others. You can use them, but you cannot use all 20 or 20 plus names. But other things, as far as the qualities are concerned, traits are concerned, then the predicate part, the words which are used in the predicate part and the defining quality, you have to use these words and then you have to create something like this. Don't think that only and only on the basis of these sentences you will do. No, you have to add something. You have to bring some more words. You have to apply some more, things from left and right. But you have to use as many words as possible from these sentences. This is the rule number 2. You have to create a story, or you can write an article, you can write a poem, you can write a good speech, you can write a good skit. And if you are writing a skit, then you can have all the names. Why I'm saying all the names? Because in the skit there are many characters. So you can give character number 1, this Brajesh, and second Anjali, and third others, and fourth Seema, etc. So you can give the names also. Even you can use them if you make a beautiful skit. And the idea is that whatever the words we have got from your statement, your sentence, that has to be used in your sentence. Okay? In your story, sorry, not sentence, in your composition. This is called, now I come to say, composition. This is either in form of a story or article, poem, speech, or skit. I hope my idea is clear to all of you. Anybody, any student will respond. Is it clear to him or her?
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
Adarsh Mishra.
Adarsh Mishra. Adarsh is always Adarsh. Any other boy or girl will respond that the instruction is clear?
Yes, sir.
Your name?
Sir.
Your name?
Sir, Tushar Mantra. Yes, sir.
Tushar.
Sir, Utkarsh.
Utkarsh. A girl, I want to listen sound of a girl.
Yes, sir.
Your name?
Sir, Astha.
Astha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Astha, very good. Astha, be very quick. Although we have Astha in you, but you should be very quick in response also. Now I go to the activity, this part 3rd of the activity. And this is going to create real problem for you. This is going to create real problem for you. Why I'm saying so? Listen very carefully. Once you finish your writing, edit it once every day for a week. You have to edit this writing piece every day. Edit means remove something, add something, drop a word, add another word. You have to edit it once every day. Every day. For example, your hobby classes are going up to 15th June. So every day you will edit it for a week from today. Today is 22nd. And up to 20. Clear cut. And what you have to do, ensuring that you drop 5 old words and add 5 new of your. This is rule number 2nd. You have to drop 5 old words. Any of the 5 old words you have to drop, and you have to add 5 new words. It means from that story, that article, that poem, you have to remove 5 words which are old, which you have taken from the sentences, and which you have used yourself. Not necessary that you have taken from sentences, you are removing them. No, which you use from your own. You have to remove 5 old words and you have to add 5 new words to your own. And these words should be your own or from everyday life. But the condition is there, rider is there. What is but? Without compromising the quality of content. Your content should not become bad. This is the most important quality. For example, tomorrow on today you write the story and tomorrow you edit the story. Your story should be more pleasing. Your story should be more interesting tomorrow after dropping 5 words and adding 5 words. Don't do that. Your story becomes boring. Your story becomes unenchanting. No. Quality has to be maintained. Quality cannot be compromised. Compromise means when we are taking the things slightly, that is called compromise. we have not to compromise with the quality. The content means you are writing either a story or article or poem or a skit that should be better and better and better every day. Understand my point? And then when you do that for one complete week, then finally submit your final version. Final version is last, editing, the last final story. You have to write that in a fair manner. And then you will submit that to your teacher before your hobby class closes. That would be the final submission. You will submit to your teachers, language teacher definitely, and even the hobby class teacher. You will submit that story, that article before these classes close. So it is, you are given 1 week task up to 29. So maybe possible that you submit that by 1 or 2nd of June, 1st or 2nd of June. So this is, a work for a week, not a work for 1 day or 2 days. It is a work for a week, complete thing. And if you want to take the screenshot of the complete thing, then I am giving you that in the complete manner. So in this slide, you can see that all the 3 things are given at one slide, on one slide. So those who are taking the screenshot, they can take the screenshot and they can use this slide for doing the things as given: activity 1, part 1, activity part 2, activity part 3, with examples. As far as the students' responses are concerned, that you can find in the chat box, and we can also type them on slide number 5, 6, 7, and we will send that to you also. Okay, so this was the activity all from me, and I hope that you enjoyed and you have got something to do at home. So anybody wants to say anything before I close my session? Anybody wants to say anything? Any query, any concern, any suggestion, any advice? Anyone?
Sir, I want to thank you for giving us such effort.
Okay, thank you. Any other? Apart from thank you, you can say something more, because thank you is always available. You can say something more. Do you have to share something more? There in that manner, or any comment about the exercise, any comment about this particular session? I took, I think, hardly half an hour, yes, or 1 hour, maybe. Okay, 40 minutes. I took around 40 minutes because I started late. So I hope that you can send me the comment. You can send comment on chat box also, no problem. But now I am just handing over the session to the teachers, and rest of the time you will be with the teacher. The meeting will be same. I am not going to close the meeting, though I started the meeting. Meeting will be same. I will just unshare my screen. But my suggestion to you people, that you enjoy your hobby classes. Don't take them as lightly as some of the students are taking, because if you learn certain things, you will remember them lifelong. And these activities will really make you creative, because creativity is something different. And I have shared a poem with you that creativity cannot be taught, creativity cannot be bought. Creativity can only and only be practiced, and that will go till, till the last breath, lifelong. Creativity goes lifelong. So I am just unsharing my screen, and then over to Anjali and Seema and Brijesh. Brijesh is of course here. He is doing the work here. But over to all of you, and enjoy your session. The class will remain continued. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir, for giving such rocking session. You are just right that you are rocky. It's a really good start.
Okay.
Yes.
You can say that
session for us.
Rocking session from Rocky Rakesh. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
It was really a good start.
And as far as these comments are concerned, I would be just writing these on the slide and I would be sharing. And otherwise, these are available on the chat box also. Okay, thank you. Continue.
Thank you, sir, for giving us such a good start and the practical ways to teach them how to compose poem.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, students. Utkarsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Piyush. Kumkum.
Yes,
Vaishnavi.
ma'am.
All of you are fine? So,
Yes, ma'am.
hopefully you just liked it. Yes, you got the practical ways
Yes,
of
ma'am.
yes, these were really practical ways how to start writing poetry. Otherwise, it just seems that it is quite a tough task and we cannot become a poet in our life. But it, you know, it is not a kind of profession. It just happens